Welcome to Sikho.ai. Introducing Getting Your FAA Part 107 Drone License, the real test, the real costs, and what happens after you pass. A complete, honest guide to the FAA Part 107 Remote Pilot Certificate, exactly what the exam tests, what the $150 to $300 prep course industry oversells, the rules you actually fly under once you are certified, and the business reality of trying to earn money as a licensed drone pilot in a market that is more saturated than the marketing suggests. Here's what you'll master in this course. Module 1, the license itself. Module 2, the rules you actually fly under. Module 3, turning the license into income. Every module is packed with interactive lessons, hands-on exercises, and AI-powered guidance that adapts to your learning style. Whether you're just starting out or leveling up your expertise, this course will transform the way you learn. Your journey starts now. Head to Sikho.ai and start learning today.